Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette as per requested by my son Caleb. He is 5 and he asked me this week, "Mommy, will you please do an eyeshadow look on your channel? That's my favorite color, blue, please." And I said, "Absolutely, sweetie, I can do that for you, but it's gonna have to wait till Saturday." So today is Saturday and I've got blue on my face. So let's jump right in and I'll show you how I did this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shade I'm Cold. Let's let you take a look at this palette. And I'm going to be using the shade on my crease and my orbital bone. I'm just going to take it with a little fluffy blending brush. The next shade I am going to be using is Blue Blood, and I'm also going to be putting that and building it up in my orbital bone crease area. The next shade I'm going to be working with is called Blue Monday, and I'm going to be putting that on my outer V and crease. I'm going to be taking I'm Cold and putting it on my inner lid right here. The next shade I'm going to be using is Blue Blood, and I'm going to put it on the center of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go back in with Blue Monday and fill in the rest of the inner corner. Or outer corner, sorry. And blend, 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 blend. And then lastly, I'm going to take some of Undertaker and put it on top of the outer V and deepen that up a bit. Now going to be taking Cullinan and putting it on my inner corner and my brow, the high point of my brow. Now I'm just going to pop on some eyeliner, mascara, and some lashes, and it will complete this look. So I'll see you in 2 seconds. This is the final result after I put on liner, lashes, and lipstick and touched up my bronzer, blush, and highlight. Let me know if you like it, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me out. And drop a comment below. Tell me what your favorite shade in this Blue Blood palette is, or let me know if you liked this video. But all in all, thank you for watching, and I'm impressed. I was terrified at first because blue eyeshadow, we don't need to go back to the 80s, but I feel like I have the ocean on my eyes and I love it. I cannot stop looking. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.